I'm going to show you how you can duplicate Google Forms. Now, this is very easy, so I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can do that. So all you need to really do is once you have your Google form open that you want to duplicate, what you can actually do is click the dots on the top right, so the three dots here, which is the More section, and you can actually click the first option which says Make a Copy. Once you click that option, it's going to actually pop up with asking what you want to name your new form. So for example, this form I had for a event in 2021. So what we can actually do is change the name to Brunch Event 2022 because we want to go ahead and have it for this year. So it's going to ask the folder where we want the form. We're just going to leave it at the default folder where the last one was. And what we can actually also do is if we had collaborators that we shared this form with before, you can actually select this option to share it with the same people. I'm going to leave that unchecked though, and I can just click make a copy. And what it will actually do is go ahead and open up your duplicate copy. So as you can actually see, this form that we had previously, the title of it was the 2021 Sunday Brunch Event. And this one, the title is Brunch Event 2022. Now, since this is an exact duplicate, we do want to go ahead and change some things like the title. And then we can also change, for example, the dates if we needed. But as you can see, when we change this title, this form stayed the exact same. So these two forms are not connected at all. And one other way we can prove that is if you went to the old form, we can see that the old form had 12 responses, but if we go to the new form, there aren't any responses just yet. So we can treat this like a completely new form and go ahead and send out the link to people so that way they can go ahead and start filling out this form. Now, if this video was helpful for you, be sure to leave a like down below. And if you do have any questions or anything you're unsure about, be sure to leave a comment down below and I will get back to you with an answer.